Today we're going to use Dreamina to create a video transition like this one. The main idea is that the most descriptive you are in your script, the best the agent will understand you. First of all, we're going to give a reference for the main character. You can also assign a specific voice to that character. After that, we add a brief description and you're good to go. And I already gave some character references and location references. And you can also tweak when you're working with the agent. You can just say that's something you don't like or change the detail about something. It already created an analysis and it's tried to figure out your intent. And then it lays down the tasks that it needs to do in order to satisfy your demands. It might be a bit too big, the hummingbird. So now I'm just going to make a prompt in order to create this new iteration with the feedback that I want to provide. So I'm just gonna let the AI to work a bit. So now it's working on the feedback that I gave. We have the hummingbird and it's giving me different options. The hummingbird represents Huitzilopochtli in Mexica cosmovision. So I would like to incorporate those elements in my story because it's basically a supernatural story. Now it has given me some feedback. I think that the hummingbird is still too big. So I'm just going to give him the images that I like, but the hummingbird, it's too big. So I'm going to let it work. And while it's working on that, I'm just going to try and do a creative and surreal transition. And I'm gonna choose 2 images that I want in the transition. Instead of the agent, I'm going to select AI video and I'm going to select the Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Now the prompt that I gave, it's a bit more complex. And when we have a frame that we like, we can just select upscale and do a creative upscale. I'm just going to let it at 2K. Now we just have to select the frames to animate and add them to the chat. You can just do a right click, choose each one to the chat, then be sure to select the right duration of your video considering the scene. So I'm gonna start with 8 seconds and let's just wait. And as you can see, this upscale works pretty well. So that's it. That's how you work with an agent inside Dreamina. If you liked this content, please consider subscribing. If you use any of the links in the description, you will be helping this channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.